Welcome to use Beta CNC. Today I will introduce you how to use the CCD and how to use the alternating knife, spindle, and this is CCD, how to use them together. First, let me introduce the cabinet. This is for the machine power arm. This is for the computer power arm. You must power on the machine first and then power on the computer. This software, NC Studio, is for our machine software. Then let's open it. Please make sure that for this software, we have two models. One is for spindle and one is for knife. Okay, you can see here, vibrating tool. That means this software is for the alternating knife. Okay, choose machine tool, change configuration. Then from here, you can choose. If the Lamada 4S spindle, that is for the spindle. If choose the vibrating tool, that is for the vibrating tool. Okay, now let's use the vibrating tool first. No matter you use the vibrating tool or use the spindle, you must, when you power on the machine first, you must make them back home first. Okay, for example, we use the vibrating tool software. We must make them back home. Back home. Press the all back. All back. You can see here, they are all moving. You can see here, all moving. Okay, you can see here, they are all back home. Make sure A is the vibrating tool. This is 0. Look at here. It's very important. You can see here, the block, the cutter blade must be here. Must be here. That means must be in the same level with the spindle. Okay, it's very, very important. And please make sure here. Here is the ignore button. If it is gray, it means we use CCD. If it is green, it means we don't use CCD. Now we use the CCD. First, we make the CCD cylinder down. Okay. CCD cylinder, you can see it is down. And then move to the CCD. Move to the CCD. To the mark point, to the mark point, to the mark point. And one thing is very important is to make sure the CCD to the material, the height is 1 to 5 millimeter. Make sure 1 to 5 millimeter. You can see here, it's nearly 1 to 5. Measure it. 1 to 5. Okay. Okay, good. Just now, we make the CCD is 1 to 5 to the material. And then here, we move the cross to the mark, middle side. Move it. Move it, yeah. And then parameters. Because now the light is not good, it's evening. Here it is the exposure. You adjust it. Then you adjust it, make sure the mark is very clear. Okay. and then make sure you press apply first, and then OK. Good. Then parameter. Then manufacturer paragram. The password is NC Studio. NC Studio. Let me show you. NC Studio. Okay. Okay, and then measure. Get current. Get current. 点一下. Okay, then get current. It means the current here. Here, get current means get here to here. The ZX coordinate. Just now we teach you how to use the magnification, and then the next step is to use the shoebox to make sure the mark point. Okay. First, you move the cross to the black point middle side. Okay, in the middle. And then press shoebox. Then press the Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 2, Mark 3, and Mark 4. Press them because we set them before, so it has this blanks. But for you, you set it yourself. And then shoebox. Just now I teach you how to use the shoebox. Then next step is we can import the drawing. Import the drawing. Make sure you drawing from the software, and then choose another software. File. Import the DHIF file. Remember the drawing you use after software, always use the DHIF. Okay, this is the sample drawing we use. Okay, now this is our drawing. You can see the drawing now on the photos. This is the drawing I will test for you. You can see their direction is not the same, so we can turn it 90 degrees. Here. Oh, you choose them first. Choose them all first. Angle, 90 degree. And apply. Okay, you can see it turning. So drawing for we want to cut for you, and you can see they are different. Now first you choose them all first, and then choose the no process because we only cut one part of them. Choose them all, and then the right button, the mouse right button, and then no process. Okay, good. And then you press the blank parts, and then we choose one, which one we want to cut. Okay, for example, we cut this square, choose it, and then use the right mouse button. Process. Yes. And then set the working start point. Working start point, you can see we move this cross to our black mark first. Here, make sure, okay? And then we press the blue one. Feed rate. This is our cutting speed. We choose 2000. Okay. The two number always number one. This is depth. Cutting depth. We choose 1 millimeter. the cutter depth 1 millimeter. Okay, apply.
这样之后就可以圈选一下，
And then choose them all.
组合，
And then group.
组合完之后保存，
And then save them.
学员
The name. We name one. Save.
显示在右旁。
Yes. Now we save the file already. Now we choose the working software. Choose the working software. Okay, this square is what we want to cut. Okay,
这样 CCD，
we choose CCD first.
在这个这些软件
Menu,
手动模式下，
menu.
在外前面，
X, Y, clear. Yes. And then
然后升上去之后，
and then camera cylinder, make it up.
把这样然后打来定位，
Okay. We make the cylinder up for spindle is to make sure the spindle vibrating tool down. We cut the vibrating cylinder down to set the vibrating to the Z axis. Make it down, down, down.
这样的。下来吧，
切一下吧。You can see here we use the tool touch the material surface. Hold on. Touch the surface, that means the Z. Okay. Then the Z clear. Just now we make the XY clear. Now we make the Z clear. Good. Now we set the XYZ all in the working start point now, right? If we are not sure, we can use the simulation first to.
那你之前想抬一点，
Okay. Now before we do it, we must make sure the cylinder for the vibrating tool must be up. Yes, Z must be up. Make it up. You can see. Make the Z up. Okay. Simulation.
自动模式下，
Auto. Start. You can see here. You can see the spindle. It will scan. You can see here. It will scan itself. It will scan itself. This is in the mode of simulation. If we are not sure, then we can use the simulation first. Okay, scan the 4 marks. And then it will scan, yes, the simulation to cut. Yes. Then it will be up. That. So now I tell you to use the simulation. If you are very familiar with the machine, then no need to use the simulation. You can work directly. Okay. Now we cut. Delete the simulation. We press start. You can see it will scan it first again. Just like the simulation. The 4 marks. Okay, spindle will be up. Then the alternate knife will cut. Can see. Okay, it's a finished cut. Then it will be up itself. 你呢？ Okay, you can see it cut itself. Just now I teach you how to use the alternating knife and the CCD. Now I will introduce how to use spindle and CCD. In fact, spindle, how to use spindle with CCD is the same, exactly same like the CCD use the alternating knife. So you can use the same steps, but only choose the software. Remember tool, machine tool, then change configuration. Then we should choose the spindle software, Lambda 4S spindle. Okay. Yes. Then you can see Lambda 4S spindle. That means this is for the spindle. This is the same as the how to use the alternating knife. Okay. Ignore. Remember, ignore. It means now we use a CCD. If we make it green, not use CCD. And also the camera height, if we use it also 125 millimeter. Okay, and one is very different. One is very big different is for spindle. You can use the G code, but for the vibrating tool, you cannot use G code. You only can use the drawing from software.